Hi, I'm Brittany with Johnny's Lawn Care. We are the best landscape and lawn maintenance company in the Jacksonville area. Since 1985, we have worked closely with our clients to help achieve the best lawn care available. Our technicians specialize in irrigation and sprinkler systems, commercial and residential landscaping and design, as well as tree service. At Johnny's Lawn Care, we also work on property preservation, rental maintenance, sod removal and replacement, mulch delivery and installation, and weed and insect control. We have been in business for over 30 years and are proud to offer creative landscape care at competitive prices. When you call us, you'll be connected with our professional and knowledgeable specialists who are happy to advise you on any lawn and landscape project. So don't wait. Call for a free quote with Johnny's Lawn Care today. You'll be glad you did.